Welcome to ConnextTutorial, the best solution for your every connectivity need. With ConnextTutorial, you can connect your devices using any one of our vast selection of communication drivers, record data collected on database, send them to the cloud, or make them available to any Scada or OPC client application. Now let's go through the 3 simple steps used to configure ConnextTutorial. First of all, we will open the editor and create a new project using the wizard. Open the I/O server and select the desired driver. In this case, we will use the Modbus TCP/IP connected to the local simulator and configure the channel and relative station to use. Then go to the tag list and create our first variable, which we will connect to the station we just created through its properties. Supposing that we need to record the value changes of our variable over time, we will create an historian resource by configuring it to record in a local SQL Server instance. Then assign the historian resource to the variable using the appropriate command. Finally, let's save the project and install it in the Windows services using the appropriate command. When running the service, OPC clients will be able to access the application and all its items. Now your ConnextTutorial application is ready. Thank you for watching. Follow us on www.progea.com.